Hello future CS, welcome back to my channel again. So guys, I am on a mission to help you ace your CA exams with flying colors. If you are a CA Inter student targeting for May 2026, then this video is a must watch for you. So ICA has made a very important announcement that can directly impact your revision quality, exam readiness and exam marks also. And no, this is not just another notification. It's about free live ICA backed revisionary classes, which are conducted by the top faculty with doubt solving, MCQs, recorded lectures, and an exam centric approach. So, in today's video, I'll break down what exactly the ICA has announced, who should attend these classes, what makes these classes genuinely useful, and how you can access them easily. And at the end of the video, I'll also reveal the complete schedule and timing. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe for more CA exam related guidance, tips and strategies. So before we go ahead, I quickly want to share a resource that was genuinely helpful for me during the CA Inter preparation. So this resource, it's called as a Cracker, Compiler or Scanner. So I had used the Taxman CA Inter Cracker for all the subject, and it played a big role in helping me clear the CA Inter in first attempt with self-study, and also I had secured 5 exemption. So what I really liked about this is that it covers past exam questions, including the latest attempt, integrates ICAI, RTPs and MTPs, and gives a chapter-wise marks trend analysis so that you know what exactly to prioritize. The questions are arranged subtopic wise, and there are chapter wise summary notes and formulas for quick revision. And also there is a solved model test paper to practice in exam like condition. Before each chapter there are summary notes also. So I used to revise from these notes itself one day before the exam, and also RTPs, MTPs, they had subdivided into chapter wise. So after completing each chapter, I used to practice those questions from this cracker. And also this is very clean, user friendly, and it's ideal for managing multiple CA Inter subjects. So along with your study material, I recommend you to study from this resource also, because this has everything in one place itself, and plus it will be the latest edition. So you will get the RTPs, MTP, and also the chapter wise mark analysis also will be there in this. So this will help you to analyze as to which chapter you have to prioritize. And all formulas also will be available at one place, and summary notes which you can use one day before the exam for preparation. So I have shared the Amazon link in the description. If you want to check the latest edition, you can check from the description and you can purchase it from there. So the ICAI BOS has made an announcement which is specifically for the CA Inter students appearing in May 2026 exams. So the objective of this announcement is very clear. The ICAI wants to handhold students, especially during the most crucial phase, that is the revision. So let's be honest here, by the time we reach Inter, the syllabus is vast and self-doubt is real, and also the exam pressure is very intense. And this is exactly where structured revision makes all the difference. So now let's discuss as to what are these LVRC. So basically ICAI has launched this LVRC, which is called as Live Virtual Revision Classes, and these are completely free. And these are live classes and not just recorded lectures. They are conducted subject wise and designed specifically for revision and not first time learning. So that means if you have already completed your one round of study and if you are starting your revision now, this will be ideal for you. Hence it means you are expected to have basic conceptual knowledge. So these classes will help you to consolidate concepts, revise exam relevant areas, focus on frequently tested topics, and it will also help you to improve presentation and exam strategy as well. Now let me explain as to why you should take these classes seriously. So there are various advantages of attending these classes. So advantage number one is this is ICAI's exam centric approach. So these classes are designed by the same institution that sets your question paper, that is the ICAI itself, and this itself is a huge advantage. Advantage number two, interactive doubt resolution. So these are not just passive or recorded lecture. So in this you will be having live interaction, live doubt solving and clarity on tricky areas. The next advantage is one-on-one interaction via Zoom. So ICAI is allowing Zoom based sessions, which means you are not just watching the videos, you are participating in it. Advantage number 4, notes, assignments and MCQ. So revision is incomplete without practice. So in these lectures, ICAI will provide you with notes, assignment and MCQ. And all of these will be aligned with the exam pattern. Advantage number 5, unlimited access to recorded lecture. So in case you missed a live class, you need not panic. The recorded lectures are also available, which you can revisit at any time. So either if you have missed a class or if you want to revise any concept, the recording will be available. Advantage number 6, class by distinguished faculty. So these sessions are handled by the experienced ICAI faculty. So whether you are a rank aspirant or a student aiming to clear confidently, these sessions can add structure and discipline to your preparation. So now let's discuss as to how to access these classes. So ICAI has made this extremely convenient. You can attend these classes through the ICAI BOS mobile app, which is available on the Google Play Store as well as the Apple Store. And you can access this through the BOS Knowledge portal also. So when you log in into the BOS Knowledge portal, you will see a tab called as Join the LVRC Zoom Live Classes. So you have to just click on the Zoom link there. And then you will be able to join these classes. And in case you miss the live class, the recording will be uploaded on the ICAI CATube YouTube channel. So a separate playlist will be created for this as LVRC May 2026 CA Inter. And in case you miss the live class, you can watch the recording there. So whether you prefer to watch these classes from mobile, laptop or whether you want to watch the recorded sessions, you are fully covered. So I strongly recommend installing the ICAI BOS app because all updates, links and recordings are centralized there. All of these links are given in the description below. You can access it from there. So why you should attend these classes? So you should definitely attend this if you are appearing for the CA Inter May 26 exam. And if you feel your revision is getting unstructured. And if you feel you want the ICAI aligned guidance. And in case you are struggling with time management or exam presentation, or you want clarity on high weightage and tricky areas, it is better to attend these classes. Even if you already enrolled for private coaching, you can go for that also and you can use this as an additional revision layer and not a replacement. So now as I promised, let's talk about the schedule and timing. So these LVRC are commencing from 5th March onwards. So request you all to get a notebook and note down this schedule. So the ICAI has divided these sessions into morning and evening slots. So the timing of the morning session will be from 7 am to 9:30 am and the evening session timing is 6 pm to 8:30 pm. And also different papers are allocated different days and slots to ensure balanced preparation across all the subjects. So this type of structure allows you to revise one subject deeply, manage self-study alongside and avoid burnout. So now let's see the timetable for this. So paper 1, advanced accounting. This is a morning session and these classes will be held on Thursday and Saturday. And this is commencing from 5th March onwards. Then paper 2, corporate and other law. This is also a morning session and this subject class will be held on Tuesday and Friday. And date of commencement is 6th March. Then paper 3, taxation, section A, income tax law. This is going to be a evening session and this class will be held on Monday and Wednesday. And the date of commencement is 9th March. Then paper 3 taxation section B GST. This is also evening session and the class will be held on Friday and Sunday. And the date of commencement is 6th March. Then paper 4 cost and management accounting. This is going to be a morning session and this class will be held on Monday and Wednesday and date of commencement is 9th March. Next paper 5 auditing and ethics. This is going to be a evening session and the class will be held on Thursday and Saturday and date of commencement is 5th March. Then paper 6 section A financial management. This is going to be a evening session and this class will be held on Tuesdays and date of commencement is 10th March. Then paper 6 section B strategic management. This is going to be a morning class and this will be held on Sundays and date of commencement is 8th March. So this is a golden opportunity guys. Please mark your calendars and do not miss out on these classes. Free resources are useful only if you take them seriously and use them wisely. So attend these classes with proper notes. Actively participate in the class, ask your doubts, and after the class ensure you revise those topics. So treat these sessions as non-negotiable revision appointments with the ICAI itself. And this will help you to ace your upcoming CA Inter exams. So if you found this video informative, please like the video and also share it with your CA Inter friends. And subscribe to the channel for more strategy-driven CA content, exam planning, motivation, etc. All the best for your CA Inter May 2026 journey. Stay focused, stay consistent and trust the process. And I will see you all in the next video.